Hi, I'm Jason with Priority Maintenance. Today we're going to be talking about installing knobs on cabinet doors. So first things first, we have this cool nifty little tool. It's a template it gives you the exact location of where to drill your holes. Now what we're going to do here is what we always want to do is we want this knob to be center right at 45 degree angle up from that corner. So we of course want them all to be uniform, so we're going to use this template here. And this mark right here is going to be the one we're going to use. What I always do is I like to at least first time use a Sharpie, and I kind of mark the hole I'm using, so that way I always use the same hole. So you just put it up against the bottom, up against the side, mark your location, do the same thing, just flip it around on this one, and mark the hole. Now what we'll do is we'll take the drill bit. Always open the cabinet before you drill, because sometimes this part of the cabinet will come where you're drilling. You don't want to drill into this piece of the cabinet here. Just like that. Now we'll take our knob, the screw, and get started and tighten it up. You don't want to go too tight. Go snug, just like that. Move on to the next one. Got some coffee here. Gotta always have your coffee. Same thing. Tighten it up. And there we go. Now they're symmetrical, all even, and you just carry on, do that on every cabinet door. So that's how you install knobs on cabinet doors. I'm Jason with Priority Maintenance. See you in the next video.